This video is on removing a 1996 Saab 900 rear engine mount, and it's not a difficult job at all. It's actually pretty easy, and what you need to do is, let me fix the lighting here. There's two bolts right here holding the actual engine mount, which you can see here in the lighting. Two engine mount bolts will go right here and right there, and then the third one on the top, and it'll go pretty much on top of this support bar, chassis bar right here, and it'll fit just like that. And these two right here will come into this hole, 1, 2, and I use the 11/16 to remove these two nuts right there. That goes here, and from there, there's the actual bracket itself has 3 bolts, and here's the bracket. So the bracket will fit right here like this. So it's one bolt right here, 2, 3, and then this actual there'll be a nut that goes into the top right here of the engine mount when it sits like this, and it will the fourth nut will hold this and the bracket together, and it's a pretty easy job. Just make sure you have jack stand under the vehicle for safety reasons, and also make sure you support the transmission with a secondary jack. So I have this jack here with a piece of wood right here on top of the jack itself, on top of the jack itself, and it supports the transmission so that it doesn't fall, and protects, so nothing gets damaged. So you will need a secondary jack, and I have over here back there, as you can see, the jack stand right here, and this itself right here is a 3-ton jack stand holding it. I hope this helps, as it was a pretty easy job. I hope I couldn't find it online, but again, this is a 1996 Saab 900 automatic turbo SE. Good luck.